Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm going to tell you about just-in-time AI recommendations, or JITAR. JITAR is a browser-agnostic application instrumentation framework and recommendation engine. JITAR strives to solve three main problems, which include costly application tool instrumentation, not enough labels features for ML/AI problems, ML/AI integration into analyst workflows by capturing user feedback, as well as behavior and interaction modeling in the browser. Also, JITAR's cloud-scale graph-based recommendation engine will push recommendations to the user in real time and at scale. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to express to you the value proposition of JITAR and provide a proof of concept demonstration. JITAR's recommendations are based upon data captured through instrumentation of the browser and behavior models we create from implicit user interactions. Some triggers that will initiate recommendations include highlighting a single word, highlighting an entire sentence, smart recommendations when typing, right-clicking on a link, as well as explicit smart feedback and explicit user feedback. JITAR is browser and application agnostic. It can be utilized and installed in any browser and run on any application. We offer two separate editions, including Enterprise and Home. For our Enterprise edition, our value proposition is that we can recommend research documents to scientists, recommend code documents to programmers, recommend customers to business analysts, recommend targets, methodology, and reports to federal government. And in the Home edition, we can recommend things like cultural events, e-commerce products, jobs during a job search, or videos on demand. The technology stack for the Enterprise and Home editions consists of our tool instrumentation and behavior modeling framework, our cloud-scale real-time AI recommender system, pushing recommendations to users and gathering feedback, and we do have an additional dashboard for the Enterprise edition. In JITAR's architecture, we first developed the plugin using JITAR's integration framework and install it into the browser. We will now capture the user interaction that we will model. We send this information to our JITAR engine, and we have proprietary graph-based search algorithms, which you see here, running on our graph to select the best items for our user. We also send users behavior data captured from other users across the enterprise, and implicit and explicit data captured by other applications across the enterprise to the JITAR engine. Finally, we backpropagate user feedback, provide smart recommendations, and we also provide a dashboard. Here we show a demo of a developer interacting in Stack Overflow. We already have the user behavior model as well as other user interactions from across the organization. We would also add the implicit and explicit data from Stack Overflow users sent to it directly from the engineers in Stack Overflow using our API. The developer right-clicks on the word stream, and using our JITAR engine, we provide two recommended articles he would be interested in the most based upon our analysis. We also offer an SDK with different APIs to allow ease of integration with applications and a plugin framework for ease of integration with browsers. Thanks to the JITAR team members, and thank you very much for the opportunity to pitch our product, as we have had great success thus far, and we've only scratched the surface of our product's potential. We look forward to partnering with you in the future.